Good morning, guys. It's the first morning of the last days in Kristiansand. We moved the boat out of anchor last night outside Kristiansand. Very nice. First night at anchor.
Yes.
Yeah. And so far it's holding, but there's been no wind at all. But I slept well, so did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're leaving Rosemary. She's over there to get 2 batteries from 2 different locations.
Yeah.
I'm going to a place here in Kristiansand, and Ida is going to Drammen. A couple of hours drive.
3.5.
Yeah, so we're gonna get our lithium batteries. And luckily, we have Amanda driving us. That's very nice. Let's go! Look at all those batteries. We're waiting. Apparently they're busy. It's okay. Except Amanda, she's gonna drive for I don't know how many hours? Like 10 hours. So every second she's waiting here is not good.
And my family is waiting for me.
Yeah, and Ida's family, they're waiting in Drammen. Jo, takk for det. We paid a small amount. Well, it's not a small amount, but it's a really good price. So, and now we're just gonna drive around the corner and pick it up, hopefully. So this is the battery. It says Rosemary response. Cool. Thank you. Can you klare å ta det selv? Ja, vi trenger jo ikke boksen.
Nei.
Yeah, let's take it out of the box. Ja, det var jo litt bedre. Det er til når man tar på det. Det er helt nydelig. Ok. Jo, takk. Takk skal du ha. Ha det bra. Wow! Look at it! Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful battery. It's gonna make everyone happy. Okay, let's go.
Det er litt kul.
Yeah. So Amanda's car is having a seizure. Oh, it's just lacking a bit of coolant, so fill it up with something. Vitamin well boost for the car. Amanda is leaving now, and we won't see her until, well, October. She's gonna join us in hopefully Spain or something. Ha det! Vi snakkes i oktober. Det blir gøy.
Ja.
Batteriet står under vann.
Now me and the battery here is sitting and waiting for the bus back to the boat in Kristiansand. We went to my parents' house and said goodbye to them and our cat. It's really heavy, so a kind guy helped me from the ferry to the bus. Thank you.
Ida is back from getting the battery from Drammen. So, the second battery is on the way onto the boat.
Perfect.
And then we have, when we get both of them installed, we actually have power in the outlets.
Yeah, hopefully, I don't think it'll be done today, but hopefully tomorrow.
That's so good. We've been sailing this whole summer without it, and it's much needed.
Yep.
Hey Ida! Welcome back. Oh.
It's heavy.
Was it a nice trip?
No.
No? You got to say goodbye to your dad though, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah, your mom as well?
Yes,
Or-
I went to their house.
Oh, nice. Woo! Batteries, batteries.
I guess.
We just bought Asbjørn a birthday gift, and he's about to open it. Let's see. I think you're gonna be super happy about the gift. Ah!
Yeah, thermometer.
Asbjørn has been asking for this for 1 month.
It's just nice to know how warm it is in the water.
Test it.
You test it. Okay, I'm guessing 16 degrees maybe.
But I think you have to leave it in for a little bit.
Yeah, it takes some time.
And we'll cut to when the temperature is taken. And we're back.
It's been 5 hours.
Let's check the
knees-
temperature.
My knees are aching. My back is... Oh. Oh, shit. 17 and a half.
It's colder than that now.
Oh, it's... You can feel it. It's not that cold.
Really?
Spill du nå?
The drum set is... It's dry, and now I can actually play on it. Without accessories, but I can play. Alright, now I've played the set, and now I'm going to pack it up. That's why I made it.
Got to know, pack it up. I got to pack it up.
Start with the snare drum, because that's the one taking up the most space. In like this. Ready to go.
So these kind guys, they're gonna try to solder it. I think they're actually divers, but they know some stuff about other things as well, it looks like.
It looks like.
Ja, men vi er egentlig movie stars.
Ja.
Hallo.
Oh.
Og så teiper vi den. Teiper du bare rundt der.
Wow. Shout out to Kristiansand Big AS. So now we can get power from our wind as well, not only solar. Thank you guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
Now we're going to pick up with this little boat all our stuff from a store, Kayak and Fritid. They're giving us some free stuff.
We just arrived at Kayak and Fritid, and now we're going inside to see the cool stuff.
We could decide which one we wanted, so we wanted 2 of those.
This Woodstock soup, the group is gonna be excited to see these ones. Ida's favorite color as well. All the colors.
All the colors, my
Yeah.
favorite colors, all the colors.
This tiny boat.
Yeah.
We're gonna fit all of this equipment. And little Ida. So we got 2 supports, we got a big
I don't know,
Platform?
platform.
and we got this pedal. And we got a extra leash,
And a sail.
sail and a seat as well.
Yeah.
It's gonna be super exciting to see. And we just talked to Christian, the regional manager in Kayak and Fritid. And we're saying thank you so much to Christian, regional manager, for helping us out with the super service.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you so much.
Stay safe.
Bye. This is gonna be super exciting. Let's see if we both can fit in this small boat with all these extra equipment. Super service from Christian just now. Inside Kayak and Fritid. Fitted everything in the boat.
And now the boat stopped.
The engine just stopped.
Woo! Woo!
Okay,
Okay. See you later.
let's go.
Bye bye.
Back to the boat. Finally, we survived the dangerous trip around the fjord. Everything survived on the way back, even us.
I forskjellige posisjoner. How's it going? It's going good, I guess. I'm almost done with everything that's electrical. I'm just rushing to be done for the... Yeah, because we're leaving tomorrow. Good morning. Today's the day. We're leaving Kristiansand. Leaving Norway. Well, we're leaving tomorrow early morning, but today's the day we're leaving the mainland. The boat is still a mess, big mess, so we got a clean up to do. But hopefully in around 10 hours we'll say goodbye to all our friends here, and we'll go out to an island just outside here and stay there until 5 in the morning tomorrow, and then we leave for Denmark. It's only about 3 hours until we leave, and the boat is still a mess. Jonathan is scraping off the old Rosemary logo, and we're gonna get a new one. Ida is washing our socks. We're drying our clothes as well. Yeah, so now I'm gonna clean up everything here in the cockpit. Hopefully make a better system than it is now. 2 hours until we leave. Is it 2 hours? I don't think it's 2 hours. The boat is a little bit better, but it's still a mess. Look at this.
Are you excited?
Yeah, well, I'm starting to feel it a little bit. Leaving mainland.
Wow! For en gjeng! My girlfriend and my sister.
Det er bra.
Ha det! And I'm leaving my girlfriend.
Dere er fine!
Cut a little luck. See you in half a year.